Okay, this is a homework help video for Thursday, January 12th for my on-level classes, periods 2, 3, and 4. The homework is 11-5 skills practice. The first couple problems I want to do are 1 and 4. We're asked to classify the quadrilateral. That's another way of saying name the quadrilateral, using the name that best describes it. So we want the best name, the most specific name. These arrow marks are telling us that the sides with 2 arrows are parallel to each other, and these sides with 1 arrow are parallel to each other. So if opposite sides are parallel, that's a parallelogram. There's lots of special kinds of parallelograms. If the opposite sides were congruent, if all 4 sides were congruent, then it would be a rhombus, but they haven't told us that. It looks like they might be close to the same length, but we don't know for sure, so we can't assume that. Also, if the angles were 90 degrees, it would be a rectangle, but the angles certainly don't look like 90 degrees, and they haven't put the 90-degree symbol there, so there's no reason to think that they're 90 degrees. So the most specific name we can give this quadrilateral is parallelogram. Number 4, again, we have a parallel symbol. These 2 opposite sides are parallel. These other sides are clearly not parallel. If I extended these lines, they would eventually intersect up here somewhere. So a quadrilateral that has exactly 1 pair of parallel sides is a trapezoid. Okay, number 13, we're asked to find the missing angle measure of each quadrilateral. This quadrilateral happens to be a trapezoid because if these 2 angles are 90, then these sides must be parallel. But it didn't ask us to classify, I'm just mentioning that. We need to know that this right angle symbol means 90 degrees. So we actually have been given 3 of the 4 angle measurements. We know that all of the angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So we have x plus 64 plus 90 plus 90 equals 360 degrees. And if you add up these, you get 154, and 154 plus 90 is 244. So x plus 244 equals 360, and then we would just subtract 244 from both sides to figure out what x equals. 10 minus 4, 6. So 116 degrees. X equals 116 degrees. Now we're going to go back and put that in here and make sure that this actually adds up to 360. 116 plus 64 plus 90 plus 90. 6 and 4 is 10, carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2, and 6 is 8, and 9 is 17, and 17 plus 9 is 26. 6 carry the 2, 2 and 1 is 3. So 360 degrees, that's what we expect. So x does equal 116 degrees. Okay, there's a golden ticket in this homework help video. You need to use the numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10, each only once to make a 1. You can only use division, subtraction, and grouping symbols to write your number sentence. Okay, and the first person to get the correct answer will win a golden ticket. Anybody else who gets the correct answer after that will win 10 tickets for the weekly drawing. And anybody who gives it a shot but doesn't get the right answer will win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework, and I'll see you in the morning.